Hi, I'm Krishna from Anytime Retail.
Hi, I'm Vamsi.
So while I was working in UK as a software analyst, there were e-commerce and other advanced platforms already available in the Western countries. So this was something way back in 2005. So we just got an idea that why can't we do something similar in India? And then we came back to India and then started exploring the options. So in 2008, Vamsi and myself, both of us thought, so let's do something similar to what we have in Western countries. And then we started conceptualizing the idea. And then we started working on the idea, and in 2010, we thought the time is ripe, the recession is over, let's go live with the e-commerce platform. And then what happened was things were pretty naive at that point of time, and the environment was not set properly. So anybody who heard of e-commerce, they were like, so I don't have trust. So I don't know e-commerce, I don't know how online things work. So that was the platform of e-commerce in 2010. And then today, the entire thing changed. So everybody trusts Flipkart, and it has built a good enough confidence in the Indian market, and it is an easy sell today. So the business has grown from the house all the way till an office space, and then till one of the best sellers in the big billion day deal. So today we process more than 1,000 orders per day, all thanks to Flipkart. There is enough trust, enough platform all built in the system. All we have to worry today is, so what is your product, what is your customer demand, just cater to that. Rest is taken care by Flipkart. 2012 we got introduced to Flipkart through one of our close circles, and from there everything changed. So our volumes actually increased by 10x. So today you have the trust which is built by Flipkart in the front end, and then a logistics company like the EKL, and then you have the operations team. So all these three put together makes a complete successful e-commerce. So till date we haven't seen a single loss or theft case in the shipments, which is really good. And apart from that, the dashboards, the analytics, all the data we get from Flipkart backend team, it is really wonderful. The reason is, it's the analytics that drives the business these days. So Flipkart provides excellent analytics services. The flash sale of Moto E, which has seen huge success, has really changed our entire way of business. So we have seen huge response from Flipkart customers for the accessories for Moto E. It has been so successful that we have been really happy to give our employees a Moto E, in fact, to each of the employees after our successful sale of the screen guards. All through my IT life, every time Diwali comes, there would be a small packet which comes in with four different types of fruits and nuts, and I felt like, okay, can it be larger than this? Today our dream is really been successful with Flipkart. Today we give mobile phones, not the fruits and nuts. I have a 5-year-old kid, and we have never been to any holiday since his birth. The reason was the business was so complicated, and we had a lot of competition, and there was no bigger platform and processes in place. Luckily, Flipkart, with all its processes, they have simplified our day-to-day life. There are enough processes in place wherein you have a predictable model and it works as expected. So every 3 months we take out our kid on a holiday and we have a family outing, and the lifestyle really changed. Success is one thing and celebrating success is another thing.